Hey, mathematicians, happy Thursday. I wanted to just start this lesson by saying that the first activity that you're going to see posted on your journal is going to be that progress monitoring activity. And many of you completed this. So if I already sent you feedback and I already approved your post, you don't have to do that activity today. But there are quite a few of you who need to finish or start that progress monitoring activity. So when you click on that link, you're going to see the link for that activity. Please, please, please finish it today, okay? And then the second thing you're going to do is ST Math. But anywho, today we are going to play a mystery number game, and we are going to play this tomorrow too. So mystery numbers, if you take a look, it says my mystery number has 5 ones and 8 tens. 5 ones and 8 tens. What is the number? Now I'm holding up this whiteboard. This is going to help us a little bit. Now if you look, right now we just have ones and tens. So I'm going to just write down ones and tens right here, because our number only has ones and tens in it. How many ones does it have? 5. How many tens does it have? 8. So what number is it? It's 85. This number is 85. How many hundreds does it have? That's a trick question. 0. It has 0 hundreds. How many tens does it have? 8 tens. And how many ones does it have? 5. It has 5. Our mystery number is 85. Now, what is the value of the number 8? Is it just 8? No, it's 8 tens. If we had 8 tens, how much is that? Let's try counting by tens. Let's count by tens. So we know there's 8 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. The value of the number 8 right here is 80. It's not just 8, it's 80. 85. Okay, we're going to do one more mystery number together today. So, let's see. My eraser is on my counter. Hang on a second. Okay. Here we go. My mystery number has 3 tens, 100, and 4 ones. So we have the ones place value and the tens place value. Is there another place value we need? Yeah, we have hundreds, guys. So I'm going to put a line here for hundreds place. The hundreds place. All right. So if you look at that picture, how many, let's see, we can start with ones. How many ones are there? Whisper it to me. 4 ones, right? How many tens are there? Whisper it to me. 3. 3 tens. Okay, and how many hundreds do you see? Whisper it to me. 100. So we have a number here. This number is 134. The mystery number is 134. It has 100, 3 tens, and 4 ones. Now, what is the value of this number 4 here? It's just 4, isn't it? It's in the ones place. It is what it is. But if we look at this number in the tens place, this 3, what is the value of 3 in the tens place? What is it worth? What is it actually? Is it just 3? No, it's 30, right? Because it's 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. This is actually 30. And is this number, what is the value of this number right here? Is it just 1? No, What is it? It's 100. It's 100. This number is 134. All right, we are going to continue with the mystery number activity tomorrow. Make sure you get your progress monitoring activity done. If you already did it and you turned it in to me and you looked at the feedback from me and I approved it, then you don't have a seesaw activity that you have to do. All you're going to do is go on ST Math. That's it. All right, second grade, have a great day.